Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a frontal net. Stay tuned to the end. So now I'm going to cut out a pattern from a brown paper like this. Actually, I don't know that what I was videoing, what I was filming was not really showing. So sorry guys, but I'm going to explain better. So yeah, I measure 5 for the length, so that's what I'm marking. I measure 5 for the length, 5 inch for the net. So I'm going to use a ruler to roll it out like this. And the breadth, I measure 13 inches for the breadth. So I'm going to use a ruler to mark it together. So afterwards, I'm going to use scissors to cut the pattern out. So if you are new here, I teach people how to make hair and how to make a closure net. I just teach people randomly on how to make hair, wigs, and the rest. So now I measure 2 inch and I'll mark it with a pencil. So after measuring 2 inch, I'm going to use my scissors to notch where I marked, like you can see. So then guys, I'm going to give the paper a curve shape at the bottom like this. Just going to give it a curve shape at the bottom like this. Just give it a shape, like a round shape at the bottom, like a U curve shape at the bottom. So that's what I'm doing here. Just give it a perfect shape. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to teach you guys more about making ears and go. So that's what I'm doing here. Sorry, I can't show you guys very well. I don't know what I was filming was not showing. So this is how it looks like. So now I'm going to use my ventilating net. Can see, I'll place the pattern on the net. I'll pin it down with a safety pin and cut it out. Yeah. So I'm going to cut it out. You have to pin the pattern on the net very well, very firmly, so that you won't cut out rubbish. So yeah, I've pinned it down firmly and I cut it out. So you know where I notch on the paper, I'm also going to notch it on the net, like the way you are seeing me doing it. So I just have to notch it, as you can see, on the net. You can see the net and you can see the shape is bringing out. It's giving me the perfect shape I want. So now I'll start sewing the net from the place I notch. I'll just sew it like 1 inch inside. Yeah, so this is when I've sewed it half inch inside, and then I ironed that. So just to give me the perfect shape I want. Please be careful when you're ironing it. So guys, this is how it came out. So beautiful and perfect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.